I'm authorized Zoho Consultant, Zoho Partner, and I'm also a certified Zoho Creator developer. Today I would like to discuss about the difference between the leads module and the deals module and what's business doing wrong in both of these two modules. So let's start. So the lead module is basically a module in the Zoho CRM which basically holds the raw data of the business. It basically holds each and every data from different sources like website, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and manual file imports and manual record creation. So basically it holds all the data. But what companies do, they use the leads module to close their deals, to close their sales, and do all the process. That's the thing they go wrong, because leads is not module is not created for capturing or closing the sales. It's only for capturing the data and just hold it, and when you make the calls and see that okay, this client has a potential and you can do the business with that client, so after that you convert that lead into a contact, account, and deal, and then you use a deal sales pipelines to close the deals, not in the leads module. Because for example, what's the issue comes later, because if you have to run the campaigns later, it is very difficult for you to handle that thing in the leads module. If you try to see that okay, what was my failed deals which you are unable to close, so you can not see the data. So that's why we basically segregate the data and put them all the data into different modules. So let me show you that usually leads module have a different type of fields, and basically as you can see that it has lead source which have different type of lead sources like advertisement, cold call, leads, referrals, and many more. So basically that's the reason, because at the end if you want to see that okay, what is the percentage of the source of the lead generation, so you can easily see that okay, from from the Facebook you are getting 40% of your leads, or from your website contact us form you are getting 15% of your leads. So basically by doing that you can create your own strategies and manage things. And after that, you basically in the leads module you have all the fields, and after that when you see that okay, you can do business with this client, you can, what you do, you basically convert the lead into a contact, account, and if you want to create a deal, so you can also create that. So if you click on the in the convert button, it will take us to this, and it will say that okay, new contact will going to be created by this name, and do you want to create a new deal with for this contact or not. And if we say that okay, we want to create a deal, it give us all these options and we can easily create that. Now let's move forward to the deals module. If we go into the deal module and let's quickly create a deal like test, and if we select an account like this, and closing date, let's say it's 24, and if we save it, after saving it we can see that it has different type of stages. So like, because why we have different types of stages, because your salesperson will follow all the stages, and after following the stages they will come to a conclusion that okay, you have closed won the deal or closed lost the deal. So that's how you can have all these stages in the deal module, which is not available in the lead module. So that's the major difference. And the other thing is that let's imagine that you are doing a business with a company, and you are trying to sell 4 different type of products or services, let's say that, at different times. If you try to do that in the leads module, what you will do, you will create 3 different leads, and all these 3 different leads will basically act as a separate deals. That's totally wrong, because by doing that you will have duplication of data, and you will have to do extra work to collect the data and put it into the leads module. But if you use the deal module, all your data, you only have to create one contact and one account, that's it. And after that you can create multiple of deals and you can utilize the same data multiple of times. So by doing that, you do not have to worry about data collection, and will basically saves your ample amount of time. So that's the difference between the leads module and deals module. I hope you like my video, and if you want any question and want to ask anything and you have any question, you can let me know and we will answer it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.